Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Your girl really does appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you are new here to my channel, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. Feel free to hit the subscribe button along with the little bell next to it. That way you are aware of any single time that I do post any new videos. I post here about beauty, lifestyle, self-care with an occasional vlog. So if you are interested, definitely consider joining my little growing YouTube familia. And also before I get started, I just want to send mad love to each and every one of you guys. I just want to say I hope that you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Okay, let's get into this one. So today we're going to be doing BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of January, which is actually the first box of 2021, which is pretty cool. So I did want to hold off until I got both boxes because not only did I want to just do the regular BoxyCharm, but I also wanted to do BoxyCharm Premium as well. I know a lot of people like to know, what each box does have to kind of make a difference. It makes a difference for you to know what each box may have or what it does entail. So let me know, please, in the comment section, do you guys want to see individual videos where I do, like, let's just say a BoxyCharm video and try on the products, and then do a BoxyCharm Premium and try on those products? Or are you good with seeing the comparisons of both? Because I feel like that might be more beneficial, but I don't know. You guys tell me, so please make sure you let me know down in the comment box. And okay, let's really get started. First box we're going to do today is the BoxyCharm regular base box. This one is a box for $25. It has 5 full-size products in it. Anything with beauty, really, like it could be skincare, makeup, but I have been seeing that they have been putting different things in this one lately, so it's kind of cool. This one is also valued over $125. So let's go ahead and crack open this bad boy right here. This is what it's looking like so far, and we do have a little card right here. Fun fact, well, just so you guys know, this box right here, it weighs 1.5 pounds. I know a lot of people do ask for that. And it looks like the theme of this month is called Fresh Start. Probably like fresh start, new year, new me type thing. I don't know. And the number of the box, I guess, yeah, the number. Usually it's like a short number, but lately it's been like a long number. So I'm not even... like, I doubt you guys can even see that right now. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put that down in the description box. I will let you guys know the details of the box because it is a long number, so I don't have to kind of say all that. So let's dig in. The first thing I see here in the box. Okay. This is by the brand Trust Fund Beauty. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. It retails at $18 and it's supposed to be a sheer hot peach that will tell the world what you mean business and your business and none of theirs. It's a lipgasm lip gloss. So yeah, it's a lip gloss. That's all they had to say. Okay, the color's really pretty. This is what it looks like. This is in the shade Unprofessional. I'm not going to be swatching everything because I'm going through 2 boxes, but just so you guys get like an overall understanding of the box. I don't know. Anyway, this is what this one looks like. It is really, really pretty. I'm excited to try that one out. Also, let me know down in the comment box if you do want me to try out anything in particular. I will definitely do that for you guys. Okay, reaching in for the next thing in the box. This is by the brand Pure. This one is a 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. It says basically it's all-in-one Spectrum sunscreen. Oh, damn. Sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20. That's pretty dope. This one retails at $35 if I didn't say that already. And it looks like they sent, I don't know, MN3? Medium 3? I don't even know what that means. But anyway, yeah, let's check it out. Okay, off top, it's definitely very like liquidy. Maybe you guys can see that right over there. Let me see if I rub that in. Okay, the color actually might work pretty good for me. My skin is actually kind of light right now. I had no sun, but it's not very sticky at all. It kind of feels like a serum. Doesn't kind of has like an oil smell, but yeah, it actually fades into the skin very nicely, so that's pretty cool. That's a nice little thing from Pure Cosmetics. I do think that this was a choice item, if I remember correctly. And choice is basically every BoxyCharm person who has a subscription gets 1 choice item per box, which is pretty dope. Okay, moving along here, you have something by Dr. Brandt. And this is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. It retails at $82. Damn. And it's supposed to basically just help you diminish all the signs of aging, which of course I'm all about. It's a nice little white packaging. I'm not going to swatch it. Well, let's just check it out. Okay, it's like a little tube like that. Let's do a little thing. Okay, and it's a white cream. It's definitely Doesn't smell like any. Oh wait, hold on. It's actually a little sticky, but nothing too crazy. Let me just go ahead and put some over here while I'm at it. Oh, you know what? It has like a menthol smell. A little hint of menthol or like essential oil. But anyway, I have heard good things about Dr. Brand. I've tried like 1 or 2 products of him, but you know, I'm open to keep trying. So anyway, like I did say, that's $82, which is bananas. So it's pretty cool that they actually did include that in the base box. And the next thing here that we have is by the brand Pharmacy. I actually really do like this brand a lot. I like they have like a melting waxing to put your makeup, to take your makeup off, and it is bomb. I really, really love that. This one retails at $28. It's the Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Basically, it's a toner. It's supposed to help exfoliate, deep clean your pores, and control your whole combination skin. Like basically, just give you better skin. For those of you who do like toners, which I actually do like toners, this is what the bottle looks like. It's actually like a glass container and is, I don't know, kind of like a light green. It basically just says that how to use, swipe on to cleanse fit face in the AM or in the PM. Make sure you avoid your eye area, and it might cause a little bit of tingling sensation. I've never tried this one, but it does say it's alcohol free, 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates. I already said that. Okay, so pretty dope. I'm really excited to try that on. Try that out. Yeah. Okay, and the 5th and last item in the box, I'm mad excited about this one because I actually really wanted this one. I know there was 2 options and I wasn't too crazy about the other one that they had. So I did get here the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. This is called Olive You Forever. Aww. It's cost $34 and it's basically supposed to give you just like some olive tones, which is nice. I always liked, I don't know, like earthy, olivey tones. I feel like personally with my skin tone, it kind of works okay. Like some shades do not look good on me at all, but I feel like olive tones I could work with. So damn, this is mad nice. Okay, it does have a little mirror. I will not blind you guys, but this is what the palette actually looks like. Pretty cool. All right, let me go ahead and do some swatches really fast. Okay, we have Olive Me. Ooh. Juicy. Olive Glow. And how about Lovebird? All right, this is what the swatches look like. They actually swatch pretty good considering I just like rubbed it on my, what is this? My fingertips, oh my God. So yeah, that's what they look like. I'm actually really excited to try this out. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and I actually have tried Violet Voss products before, and I really do like them. So this is an awesome, a pretty good base box. So let me go ahead and add this up for you guys. All right, guys. So after adding up the base box, it does value over $125, which is what they claim, but it retails $197. That is really, really cool. I actually really like the base box. I have been saying the last couple of months that for some reason I've actually been gravitating towards the base box opposed to the premium, which is funny because a lot of people love the premium. But the base box, I don't know, I'm not mad at it. I kind of like it. Moving on. Let's go ahead and hit up this BoxyCharm Premium box. BoxyCharm Premium is basically BoxyCharm a little bit larger. But this time you pay $35 a month. You get 6 full-size products and you're supposed to get value over $175. Hey. Okay, the box is slightly larger on this one. The little card is right up top. Once again, it has the same theme, so the theme is Fresh Start, and once again it has a really long number, so I will post that down below if you are interested in this premium box. But this one does weigh 1.8 pounds for those of you guys who do like to know those kinds of things. All right, and let me just make a side note / fun fact. I will be starting to accumulate some stuff for my next giveaway, which I will be doing a huge giveaway when I do hit 3,000 subscribers. So if there's things that I don't open up, I will probably post like a little picture somewhere, that way you can actually see what's you know, what it is, but also know that it will be going towards the giveaway, which looks like it might be the first thing in the box. So the first thing here is by the brand Silver Pure. No, mentira. PMD. Damn, I didn't even know they made these. So this is by the brand PMD. It is the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Basically, it's kind of reminds me a little bit of the makeup, like just like the makeup little towels that they have. There's a brand that has it. I think it's like some vintage one, but it's really cool. But they do have like little remover of makeup cloths, and it's supposed to just help you wash your skin. If I do find a picture, I will post it up, but basically it's like a little cloth. It's pink. It's kind of like a little rectangle, and it just helps you take off your makeup. So that's pretty cool. This one does retail at $30, and I'm putting that for a future giveaway. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned. Okay, moving on to the next thing in the box. It's by Summer Fridays. This is a jet lag mask. It retails at $48. Okay, I had to reread that because I wasn't sure. So it is a jet lag mask, but it's supposed to help your skin get hydrated. You can use it as a nightly mask, or you can use it as a daytime moisturizer. So that's pretty freaking cool. I'm not gonna open it. Let me see if I can. No, you know what? I'm not even gonna open it because I do want to save this for a future giveaway. If I find a picture, I will post it somewhere in one of these corners, but this is what the little box looks like. It does retail at, like I said, $48. So that's actually a really good product. Not a really good product, just like a really good value. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, next thing in the box here, we have something by Laura Mercier. And this one's retails at $32, and it looks like it's a creamy lipstick. This is in the shade Rose Decadent or Decadent. How do you say that? Decadent? It's, I don't know, decadent, decadent, whatever. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. It's mad cute. Let's go ahead and see the shade. Whoa, this está lindo. Okay, let's do a little swatch of that. It's kind of like a pink corally color. I'm not mad at it at all. It's really pretty. I don't know why I tend to smell things, but that's really nice. I actually do like that a lot, so I will be holding on to that one. Moving on here, we have something by the brand Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Wait, if I didn't tell you guys, the lipstick cost $32. I never remember because I talk too fast. I never remember if I told you guys or not. But anyway, $32 for the lipstick. This Fenty Beauty right here, this one looks like it is a full frontal volume lift and curling mascara. That's pretty dope. This one retails at $24, and basically it's supposed to just be lightweight, ultra black, and it's supposed to help you lift your lashes, which is very nice because I have long lashes, but they go downward, so it's nice to know that this may work. The packaging is really, really pretty. I'm not gonna try it on right now, but I will be holding on to it. So if you do wanna see how it looks, let me know. I will post it on here or on my Instagram story or something like that. I'm very shocked to see this in here, but I'm kind of excited because I do like Fenty products, but there's another Fenty Beauty product in here, and this one looks like it's the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This one retails at $32. Basically, it's supposed to be a powder that's supposed to help brighten your face, brighten your skin tone, and whatever, just to perfect everything. But now that I'm talking out loud, I realize that I think I chose this as the choice item for this box. This one is in the shade Banana. Wow. Okay, this is a really nice packaging, guys. It's nice and thick, like nice and sturdy. Okay, so that's what it is. You got your little Fenty Beauty right there. It's nice and large. It's like bigger than the palm of my hand. I'm probably not gonna swatch this or nothing like that, but it's just pretty. It's like a nice banana color. I do love some setting powders. I never used to use them, to tell you the truth, but I started to recently, and I kind of do like the way they work, so I was very curious to see how this one would work. So we shall see. And I'm leaving the last, wait, how do you say that? The best for, yeah, the best for last, because I knew I was gonna be getting this, and I am so excited. This is by the brand Ofra Cosmetics. It retails at $39, and it's a good to go mini mix palette, guys. I saw a picture of this. Hopefully it's not broke. Okay, cool. And oh, it's just so cute. Okay, off top it says, "Smile, you're beautiful." So that's a nice little gesture. And oh, it's a little lid, so okay, it just pops off like this, and this is what the little palette looks like. So as you can see, it has some eyeshadows, blushes, highlight, and what's nice about it is that word on the street is that you can use all of these interchangeably. So if you really like this little pinky shade right here that's supposed to be like a blush, you can put it on your eyes. You can put anything on your eyes. This just looks unbelievably beautiful. I have to swatch, I don't even know, this green one right here looks. Okay, I don't know if you guys realized, but my camera did die on me, so I was in the middle of admiring this beautiful palette and it shut off. So we're back in action. And I was also in the middle of swatching this little green shade right here, and I was mentioning that they do not have any shades, shade names, so that's just something for you to know. Let me go ahead and hit up this little, this little rose gold one right here, which is mad pretty as well. And of course, you know, let's go ahead and do this little highlight. I'm gonna do like a little twirl of it because it just looks so pretty. And let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, this is literally some of the smoothest swatches I've ever experienced. Look at the green one. I don't know if it's gonna do it any justice, but off camera it looks beautiful. This one is beautiful, and this is supposed to be the highlight. Like I mentioned before, you could use it anywhere, and the shades are just really, really pretty. I love that you can mix and match everything, and like I said, the shades are just stunning. So I'm really, really excited about this one. That one, I believe, was the 6th thing in the box. So let's add it up. Okay, I am back, and after adding up all the items in there, that one retails at total of $205, which is once again well over the value price of $175, which is what they claim. So that's pretty dope. Honestly, oh my gosh, I'm kind of torn between the boxes because I really like both of them. The only reason why I'm not gravitating towards, I have a lot of skincare right now, and I'm currently filming like another skincare routine product stuff, so I don't really need skincare. But if I didn't have skincare, I definitely would love the premium box, especially because of this. However, knowing like what I know and having what I have, I still enjoy the base box. It's just been happening like that recently, and I don't know why, but I do want to know your thoughts. I want to know which boxes you're getting, which boxes you think is better, which one, you know, whatever, you know what I mean. And just comment down below, let me know. Also, like I said, stay tuned because I will be planning future giveaways. I always have like a random giveaway here and there, so if you are interested, just make sure you are subscribed and just support your girl. I do appreciate you guys so much. So I pretty much have spoken a lot already, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. But stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. I love you guys. Muchísimas gracias. Mwah. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.